Hey there! Welcome to the Plant-Based Scratch Kitchen. Today is going to be a little different, and that is I'm going to show you why and how your food preparation and cooking is just as important as the quality of the foods you select to eat. And the reason behind that is three reasons. Number one, glycotoxins, and I'll explain more what those are. Number two is how to enhance bioavailability of the food so that you're maximizing the absorption of those foods into your body. And number three is reducing inflammation. So let's step into the kitchen. I got a number of great examples. You're going to really like these. Let's go.
The cruciferous vegetable family, which includes broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, and others, contains a powerful phytonutrient called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane may reduce cancer risk, it certainly reduces inflammation, it may slow tumor growth, and it may protect your DNA. Research has found that the best way to enhance the sulforaphane is to damage the plant, such as cutting or tearing, and then let it rest before you cook. Alright, let's move on to glycotoxins, or advanced glycation end products, which are a diverse group of highly oxidant compounds that tend to be found in foods that are high in fat and protein. Glycotoxins form during high heat cooking and can cause inflammation and lead to issues like heart disease. If you follow a whole foods plant-based diet, including eating minimally processed foods, your risk of glycotoxins is very, very low. There are a few exceptions. Nuts that are cooked at high temperature, including tofu that's deep fried, can have higher glycotoxin levels. However, you can reduce glycotoxins in tofu by steaming it or boiling it. And in the previous slide, I showed how you were just pan toasting nuts instead of oven roasting them at a high temperature. Alright, let's talk bioavailability, which basically means that you're getting the maximum amount of nutrients from the food you eat. Cooking for certain foods actually enhances bioavailability. With grains, certainly rinsing them is good for a number of reasons, getting the dirt and dust off, but also arsenic, particularly with rice. But then with pseudo grains such as millet, which contains phytic acid, it's important to soak this for a few hours or even overnight to enhance the absorption of minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium when it's cooked. It's also just easier on your stomach. Cooking with oil, particularly when it's heated at high temperatures, can be very pro-inflammatory. However, extra virgin olive oil is a healthier option. Now, on a whole foods plant-based diet, you may use chia seeds, flax seeds. However, these need to be mechanically broken down to enhance their bioavailability, or else they're just going to pass right through you. With your nuts, soaking them when they're raw is also beneficial for absorption and bioavailability. So let's just show you here. With my flax seeds, I'm just using a coffee grinder to break them down. And here, this is ready for any kind of recipe you may need. Also, with my chia seeds, I just soak them for about 10 minutes and they're good to go for lots of different recipes. Lastly, eating a combination of cooked and raw foods is important for overall health as well as maximum absorption of all nutrients. With salad greens, just a little fresh lemon juice can actually enhance absorption of iron. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Remember, how you prepare and cook your food is just as important as the types of foods you select. For more, go to speakingwellness.com.